Welcome to everyone for our Veterans Day Assembly today. It's so great to be together with you. It's a great day to celebrate veterans. You know, students, I know you've been learning. You obviously have created posters. You've worn red, white, and blue. Maybe you even know a veteran. But this is an important day where we as a community, as a school, and as a neighborhood get to say thank you to individuals who have served in our country's armed services, the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, the Marines, the Coast Guard, folks who have served maybe a long time ago, and maybe people who are even serving today. So we say thank you to all of those of you who are here today. We say thank you to those who are represented by family members who weren't able to be here. We are grateful and appreciative as a school, as a community, and as a nation for what you have done for our country and your service. At this time, I would like to invite our newly elected student body president, Miss Emery Ellis, to the stage.
Welcome to our Veterans Day celebration. My name is Emery Ellis, and I'm the newly elected school president. I want to take a moment to tell you all a little bit about our school's Eagle Ambassadors program. For those of you who might not be familiar with this club, we focus on making our school and community a better place through acts of service and kindness. This is an opportunity that you can look forward to as a 4th or 5th grader. Each year, our school partners with the neighboring assisted living facility, the Blake. As classes, we show our appreciation to the veterans that may call their Blake their home by sending gift baskets full of treats and love. One of my favorite quotes, "The journey of a million miles starts with the first step." Today, we honor our veterans who made that not just a quote, but real life. These people who stand before us took that first step and made our country better. Thank you, and welcome to our school.
Thank you, Emery. I now want to invite our student body vice president, Ms. Rin Jansen, to the stage. Rin is going to lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
Stand, salute, pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I now want to invite our Eagle Ambassadors, not Eagle Ambassadors, but our Soaring Sound students who've been working with Miss Cutler, our music teacher, come to the stage.
To invite you to stand and join us in the singing of our national anthem, the Star Spangled Banner.
Remember, everybody's looking at the back of my head. You're good.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose bright stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight
Thank you so much to our Soaring Sound students for that wonderful rendition. At this time, I know most of our guests are standing, but I would invite, either as you're able, to step forward or raise your hand if you are a veteran of our armed services here in the United States. Would you stand or raise your hand or step forward? Boys and girls, look around. How many individuals here in the room? Let's give them a big round of applause. Thank you. Thank you all. Appreciate it. I now want to invite our student body secretary, Sadie Fishman, to the stage. Sadie has a Veterans Day poem for us today.
Thank you. Veterans Day by Cheryl Dyson. On Veterans Day, we honor all who answered to a service call. Soldiers young and soldiers old fought for freedom, brave and bold. Some have lived while others died, and all of them deserve our pride. We're proud of all the soldiers who kept thinking of red, white, and blue. They fought for us and all our rights. They fought through many days and nights. And though we may not know each name, we thank all veterans just the same.
Thank you, Sadie. So thankful we were able to come together, as I've said, and certainly are appreciative. Boys and girls, I know you have continued learning in your classrooms with your teachers, but this is a day where we do say thank you, and you've done that well so far, and I appreciate what you've done. Thank you again to our veterans. This time, students, we're going to make our way back to class. Guests and students who are staying with your guests, we do ask that you stay. We're going to transition to some time for some breakfast, but I'm going to hand it over to our teachers, and thank you again for being here. Happy Veterans Day.